This market, called Punggak-myeon, located in a quiet village in Cheongdo, Gyeongsangbuk-do, has kept its story for 100 years. When the cattle market and red pepper market were there, it was the most active commercial area in the area. But as time passed, the cattle market and the pepper market disappeared, and more than half of the stores became empty.
젊은 사람이 전심하지 시내가 다 빠지고 남은 사람 있다가 못 돌아가시고 이래가지고 재래시장은 죽었다 큰일 났다.
카드 사용도 안 되고 뭐 물건 같은 것도 마트랑 이거랑 비교했을 때 너무 자판이 없다 보니까 뭐든지 지금 상황이 다 불편해요.
We asked, how can design reconnect people and place? So, we bring together local merchants, residents, service designers, and institutions. Collaboration was the beginning of change. Merchants, residents, and service designer, public organizations came together to share one goal: revitalizing their hometown market. Local traditional performances are revived with music and fun. The rhythm of culture flows again in the once quiet market. Discover local flavors with water parsley cooking. Feel the warmth of woodcraft from Cheongdo persimmon trees. The market goes digital. Tradition meets innovation for a new era. SNS has become another marketplace. SNS expands the market story beyond the village through events and storytelling. New owners have filled the once empty stores. The dreams and passion of young people are bringing color back to the market. We redesigned the market experience. Retro aesthetics blended with digital convenience. Cultural performances met hands-on learning. It's no longer just a marketplace. It's a stage for stories and experiences, a future for generations to come. Punggak Emotional Market, 100 years and beyond.